What's happening? I'll tell you exactly what's happening. Welcome back to another video. It's more Beetle Diaries, it's more good times, and this time it's a bit more positive. There's the 65. As you know, in previous video, Beetle Diaries video anyway, it's leaking oil again. It's still dripping a little bit, don't get me wrong. All the parts have been ordered. It's bank holiday Monday today, so I just got to wait that out for those to arrive here. So I've changed it up a little bit. Both sides new rocker covers ordered. Bunch of different gaskets ordered, but I've also gone for rubber ones instead of seal ones because I'm thinking that might stop it dripping. But nonetheless, I spent a couple of hours on it today. I've waxed it up and just look at it. I know there's only so much waxing you can do with a patina, but you know what? It's looking pretty good. That's not too bad at all. I know Detailing Boy was referring to that wax and gleam detail, and he sorted this out must have been last September-ish time, I think, when he did a full like stage 3 or 4 correction on it and give me some sort of life back to the car. But today we've used Dolo Juice on it and it's come up pretty good. Check that shine. I'm over the moon with it, to be fair. Even the glass has come up pretty good. Don't forget, this car's 55 years old in September. For her age, she's not doing too bad. Cleaned up all the wheels as well. It's got a nice little shine on it now as well, haven't it? The hub's on there. Like I said before, look how solid it is. That's that one bit of fixing that someone done previous to me owning it, and I'm still on the fence with it. I said I've got new door here. That is the original door that they've done. I can either try and sort of like, well, you know, sand this back, filler it properly and spray it properly, which wouldn't be a too bad thing, I suppose. But you know, there's a little bit of a hole there as well. So I do have a whole separate door for the car, brand new, well, not a brand new, original 65 door, solid, no rust, it's red. I might, you know, try and get a paint match, take the car down when things are open, match this colour. So I know 65 Deluxe is a couple of different creamies for that year, and paint it up and see how it looks. But at the same time, I'm not against that though, because it's sort of in twine with the way the whole car goes. It's just that on a skeleton look. It's not trying to hide anything. There she goes. I think she's looking pretty damn good, to be fair. You know, Beetle's Diaries, that's living with the Beetle every single day. I love it. Even today I went for a bit of a sneaky fuel run and distracted for about 5-10 minutes around in it. As you do, as you've got to do. But nonetheless, a couple more days now, I'm hoping lockdown's going to be eased, and this thing's going to be everywhere with me. I'm with Dan as well for the Viking views. So Beetle Diary is going to be starting once a week, every week. Message him, that's Dan now, isn't it? Look at him, Dan, yeah. Bloody hell, he's telling me to start something in 5 minutes now. I don't even know what he's on about, that boy, but love him to pieces. But yeah, so Beetle Diaries will be happening on Viking views every single week. So the road trip in this, absolutely everywhere. So until then, take it easy. Boss is done, she's done. Have a good one, yo.